Yes, you heard that right. Australia has done something incredible. They have just launched a powerful AI video generator that is using none other than Google VEO 3, the most advanced AI video model available today. And the best part is that you can use it without paying those huge upfront costs that go as high as $250. So before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel, tap that like button, and stay with me until the end of this video. Because if you skip any part, you might miss the exact method to get access and use this amazing tool completely free of charge. The tool I am talking about is called AI Labs by Envato. Yes, that is the same Envato known for creative assets and templates. But now, they have just added a groundbreaking feature that allows you to create ultra-realistic videos with full audio, sound effects, and even automatic lip-syncing using Google VEO 3's latest technology. You will find the link to this tool in the video description. Once you click on the link and sign up, you will land on a simple and easy-to-use dashboard like this. Here you can either enter your video idea or prompt. I will paste a sample prompt for demonstration purposes. Then you can choose your preferred video format, either horizontal for platforms like YouTube or vertical for short videos and reels. There is also a very helpful option to enhance your prompt, which improves your input and gives you better visual results. Once everything is ready, just click the generate button, and within moments, your video will be ready, and you can see the result is seriously impressive. With this tool, you are not just creating a slideshow or basic animation, you are generating high-quality videos that look like they were made by professionals. And yes, all of this is powered by Google VEO 3. Yes guys, Google VEO 3, and you are getting access without paying the full cost that Google usually charges directly. Now, if you want to go even further and unlock more features, such as converting your images into videos or creating scenes with more detailed audio and lip syncing, then you can upgrade to their paid plan. But do not worry, it is not going to cost you hundreds of dollars. The yearly plan is just $16 per month, which is far more affordable than paying $250 every month upfront to Google. Keep in mind, this offer may not last forever. Envato is still rolling this out quietly, and once the demand grows, they might remove the free access or raise the prices. So if you are watching this video right now, then you are way too early guys, and that gives you a real advantage. Click the link in the description, sign up, and start creating stunning AI videos today.